Amid an increase in the cost of living, thousands of Guyanese employed in the public sector were granted a 7% retroactive increase by the government. This measly increase, as described by one of the prominent representative bodies for the workers, the Guyana Public Service Union, has been widely opposed. But Labor Minister Joseph Hamilton strongly believes that added money, no matter the quantity, is more than what a person had. He listed a number of initiatives in the government pipeline aimed at alleviating financial difficulties amid the pandemic.
We have had COVID cash grant, we have the children care grant, and we have extended it even to people who got children in private school. We have had several interventions that is far in excess, if you put it together, of the 7% to be added to salary. So the 7% cannot be looked at in a vacuum. And that is the weakness of the argument. We have to look at the totality of what this government has done.
He further mentioned the efforts by the government to procure adequate vaccines to keep the populace safe.
I believe that this government has done enough in a year and 4 months for the citizens of this country, for the workers of this country.
The Guyana Public Service Union's contention regarding the increase is that large sums of monies were being given to Gaisuko while public servants were given the short end of the stick. In October, Vice President Barry Jagdeo announced that sugar workers who lost their jobs during the APNU-AFC tenure would be given $250,000 each. Earlier this week, he declared that they will now benefit from an additional 7% increase in wages and salaries. It was put to the minister that this minimal increase cannot cushion inflation in the country. He emphasized that inflation is not unique to Guyana and that the government will establish ways of dealing with such issues.
We have put in place some measures to alleviate the cost of goods coming in. We have to find a methodology, I don't know how, to ensure that benefit the ordinary person.
Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.